Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. Welcome to my channel, Derulla Festival Survival Channel. And in today's video, I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to be up to in the next few days. So watch this space and I'll tell you a little bit more. See you in a sec, guys. So this is what I'm going to be doing in the next few videos, showing you these different containers, little kits that I've put together. So thumbs up from me, guys. Watch this space and I'll show you the contents of these different containers right here. Okay, put a bit of a survival kit in this. One's over here, other little things. Over here is my outdoor gear, Swiss Army knife, etc. And over here just some everyday carry items as well. So watch this space and you'll see what I've been up to.